也希望这个图和 Jared 能够在中国更好的推广卡里。
In November of 2017, 11 martial arts delegates from China converged at the Pekiti Tirsia Tactical Association training conference in Bohol, Philippines. Under the guidance of Tuhan Jared Wihongi, they explored the art of Pekiti Tirsia, bringing with them decades worth of traditional Chinese martial arts experience. Their flexibility, speed, and agility from prior training blended well into their exploration of the Filipino martial arts. They trained hard and they fought hard, and they were welcomed with open arms from an international community of like-minded, positive individuals. Without ego, they dove deeply into the training sessions and found a love not only for the art of Pekiti, but of members of the PTTA. They became part of the family. Their openness and eagerness to learn, fueled by the positivity and encouragement from this tight-knit brother and sisterhood, accelerated their skill development. As they continued to play and explore, the depth and breadth of Pekiti Tirsia began to reveal itself. They found commonalities within their native arts and harmonized them with their newfound passion for Kali. After 10 days of intensive training, the group officially welcomed Pekiti Tirsia as their home away from home and vowed to spread the word of the PTTA with their countrymen.